Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll see how we can create a drawing index or sheet list in Revit, and we'll explore a lot of more things about sheet list in Revit. So let's start. So right now I have a lot of drawings right here, and I want to prepare the drawing index or sheet list in Revit. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll click on schedules in project browser, right click on that one. I'll click on new sheet list, and then there will be kind of this dialog box will be pop up, and there will be a lot of parameters which I can select for sheets. As of now, I'm selecting sheet numbers and sheet name. Definitely in this particular video we'll discuss about those, some of the key parameters that will help us to sort the drawing index. So right now I'm going for clicking on OK, and it'll prepare an normal drawing index for me. Definitely I can change the names as well. For example, I just want to go for name only, and this I just want to go for sheet number, and this one as well I want to change, for example, drawing index. Parallelly, you can see in this one right here, I can see my drawing index right here in schedules. Okay, and how we can use this one on my sheets. So for that one, let me create one sheet. So to create a new sheet, I'll click on sheets, right click, new sheet, and let me go with this title block, and I'll drag this index right here. It seems very smaller, right? So I need to maximize the text height for this one. So there are two ways of doing that thing. First of all, let me see how we can, what kind of text formats we are having. So for that one, I'll go in my appearance right here. And at the bottom, you can see title text. Title text is for this drawing index, and headers, definitely these are my headers, and the body text, right? So let me go for all three. So right now I have these text, so let me go with 1 by 4 inch as of now for all these three. Click on OK. Perfect. Let me come right here and let me expand this one. Yeah, it seems fine. But for example, let's see, I just want to change the text right more bigger than this right now. So for that one, I need to create a new text style. So for that one, let me type some text right here, default text whatsoever. Now I just want to click on the text and click on edit type because I want to create a new text style. So for that one, let me duplicate this one, and I just want to create the size of 1 by 2 inch. Okay, and let me go for 1 by 2. Perfect. Click on OK. Yeah, let me delete this one. Now my text style is created. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll double click on the schedule part, click on appearance, and I'll go for 1 by 2 Arial. Perfect. Click on OK. Let me go right here. If you'll see, the schedule part is looking fine, but I have seen one problem. The problem is my drawing index text is not coming properly, right? So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go in drawing index again, select that particular, uh, line item, and right here at the top you can see resize. I'll click on that one and I'll resize. So for example, let me make it 1 inch. Click on OK. It seems fine now. Let me come in my sheet, and just looking fine in terms of the size and those kind of stuff is looking fine. Now if you'll see right here, the drawing index, sheet numbers are coming at the left side, and this one as well. I want to make this one at center, and this one is fine for me at the left side, but I want to make it at center. So how I can do that thing, I'll go in drawing index again, and let me zoom out a little bit. So let me select this column at the first place. Let me select both the columns. Okay, and right here, if you can see a line horizontal, so I'll make it center at the first place. Both are at the center, and vertical as well. Let me make it middle, right? So both are done. But as I mentioned, I want this name column to the left hand side. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll click on align horizontal again, click on left side, done. Now if I'll come on my sheet again, now it's fine. It is coming at center and it's coming at what we can say left side. So you can do like that way. For example, you do not want to show the headers like that way. So for that one as well, what you can do is that you can come right here and come in appearance. Right here you can see the blank row. The blank row is this one. So you can uncheck this one in the first place. And if you do not want to show the title as well, title means the header drawing index, okay? Or the header as well. Header means this sheet number and the sheet name. It depends on your requirement. So for example, I do not want to show the drawing index at the top. So I'll click on the show title, click on OK. Fine. Now if I'll come right here, you'll see the drawing index has been gone, right? And blank row as well. If you want the blank row, you can come right here in appearance, check this one, click on OK. The blank row will be added, right? For example, you want to hide the sheet numbers and sheet name as well. Definitely, you can do the same thing. Come right here, not right here, and the appearance. Sorry, you can come right here from the appearance as well, and you can check and check like that way. Show header as well. Like I don't want to show the headers, but I want to show the title. Okay, click on OK. Now you can come right here, and you can see like this. Okay. Now, this is the normal thing that we normally do. Let me go in appearance and let me make it like 1 by 4 only because we'll be adding more parameters. Okay, perfect. Yeah, looking fine. Let me stretch it a little bit right here and this one as well. Perfect. So this is my drawing index, normal drawing index. But if you'll see, I have all the sheet numbers right here. But for example, I want the selected sheet numbers, right? So how I can do that thing? There are a couple of ways in Revit 2025 I'm talking about, but definitely some of the tools that I'll be talking about that you can see in 2024 and probably in 2023 as well. But what we are having right now from Autodesk Revit that I'm talking right now in this particular video. So, for example, you want a particular set, right? So for that one, we are having different parameters, but let me tell you some advanced tools. So if I'll click on sheets, there will be one new tool, new sheet selection. Okay. So if I'll click on that one, I can create a new sheet selection right here and uh, just give me a second. I can rename it. For example, let's rename it as sheet group one. Okay, you can rename it based on your requirement. So let me go like that way. And now inside that group, I wanted to add some sheets. So for example, this sheet I want to adding, so I can add from right here by dragging this one directly, or I can click on that particular sheet and come right here in the properties, and there will be, you can see sheet selection collection. You can drop this one, you can come right here. It'll be going like that. So let me select multiple sheets. So for example, these 4 sheets as well, and I can drop all of them. Now let me create one more group. So right click, new sheet collection, and let me go for what we call it as a sheet group 2. Okay, group 2. Now in this group as well, let me put some 4 sheets and what we can say sheet collection as well. So yeah, now I can see my sheet group 1 has some sheets, sheets group 2 has some sheets. So it is just like that. We do not need to do anything. So for this particular schedule, what I'll do is that I'll add that specific parameter. So I'll go in my fields and I'll add the sheet collection. You are having sheet group as well that you can use, and we are having sheet sort as well. So let me add these two. I'll tell you the use of them. Click on OK now. Now right here, I want to just see the drawing index of sheet group one. So what I'll do is that I'll go in my filter, apply the filter based on sheet collection, and I'll go for sheet group one. Click on OK. Now you can see all my sheets are right here. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see right here. Now I have added, okay, let me add the headers as well so that you can see what we have added. So this is my sheet collection. Definitely you can hide because you do not want to show this one in the drawing index. The same goes with sheet sorting as well. But from right here, you can decide the order based on your requirement. It will not impact based on your sheet numbers. So you can, for example, you want to show this as one at the top. For example, this to be two. For example, this is three, four, five, sorry, five and six. So for example, you want to show this one at the top and like that way. So you have given your sorting style like that way, and what you can do is that you can come right here in sorting and grouping, apply the same sheet sorting based on ascending, click on OK. Now you can see the order has changed based on your sorting. Now you can hide that one as well because you do not need that one to be shown on the drawing index. So welcome in my drawing index now. Expand this one. Definitely you can change the text style and whatsoever you want to change. So this is my drawing index based on my requirements for the particular submission that you are going to do. So that's how we can, sort the drawing index or sheet list in Revit 2025. And I think it's very useful. Definitely one more parameter that we are having, that is sheet group, that also we can use. Definitely you can use that one for, based on your service or based on your package that you are delivering for the particular submission. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.